Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I already got my little thing set up. I'm about to change the fog lights. The fog light bulb basically. So the LED lights. It said high brightness, design standard, the light beam pattern. And that's the regular one. That's a halogen bulb, wide 10 meter. 30 meter range, while the one that I have in my hand right now is the LED headlight, wide 20 meter, 150 meter range. Alright, so this is a 2008 Avalon. I think it is the same thing from the 2005 all the way to the 12. This right here is a 10 millimeter wrench, and I should show you guys how it looks, right? Like how yellow they look. Hold on, let me go in the car, start it up. All right guys, as you can see how yellow they are. This one right here, this one on the other side. So it's like a before, you know, this is a before, as you can see it, and I'm going to show you guys the after when I install them. So let me shut down the vehicle and get down to business. Right now, as you can see right there, use this side right here to, I have the other type of wrench that I could use, but since this is just like this, ain't no big deal. So you just take that off. That's a 10 millimeter right there. Basically just pull this down. And you guys may not able to see, as you can see right here, it's actually moving. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I really wanted to, okay, I got it twist out, so it's pretty easy. So you go inside of it and just twist it going left, you know, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I got one out, and let me show you guys the connector. That connector, to get it out, you basically got to push it in. I know I can't do it with one hand, but you basically push it in. I should have somebody have like a camera person. That would have been awesome. But let me see if I could set the camera down and get it right. All right, I got it set up. Sorry about that. Alright, so try to get it set up again. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so all you do is just press it in like so, you know, press this and then it release. So that's how it look. And this one you could actually match it up as well, and you just press it in like so. It clicked in. Then you just go back up there and just, you guys not gonna really see it, and I'll go back up. No, you guys not gonna be able to see it from that way because I don't have no good angle, but as you can see, you can look in there and see where I'm gonna put it. So guys, see it. All right, and you just twist it in, and they're locked in. Once you twist it, it's gonna lock in and it's gonna be stable. So as you can see, it's in. That was a pretty easy, simple way to do it. It's nothing really hard. So as I said, when you to take it out, I twist it that way. I'll go left, and to tighten it, I'll go right. So that's how I do it. You just feel it, you just twist it. It's actually easier than my friend Acura, tell you guys the truth. Twist it this way, then it release. I pull it out, and then I just press this part, press the thing to let it release, and then click in the other one. Then when I put it back in, I just twist it this way, which is going that way. So that's that. I'm gonna go on the other side and do the same thing, get the both of them in. But before that, let me put back up this bolt, put back on that shield properly. This little skid plate or whatever they want to call it, got to put it back up there. Put this back up in the groove. Yeah, put it back up in the groove and tighten it up. All right, hopefully you guys can see. All right, so we're gonna put this back up. Oh man, sorry about that. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get this camera to angle. All right, got it back angle up there. All right, so basically let's push it back up in there, and where was that 10mm. Just like so. Make sure it catch it, because if it don't catch it, and be careful you don't strip it as well. You don't want it to be stripped, so take your time, make sure it's in there properly. Alright, I'll loosen it. I just want to make sure it goes in the groove properly. Okay, here we go. There we go. That should do. Alright guys, that should do with that. That's that. And on to the other side. Go on the other side. Let's go. Alright, so here's the other side. You guys can see. Let's see. You guys can see it. Man, I drop it. I said it's hard to do. Like, it'd be better if I had like a cameraman or something, you know, something good, somebody could hold the camera. And I said it's easy. You just put your hands up and twist this one. Gotta wiggle it a little bit. Come on. Woo. Alright, I got this one out. I don't know if you guys can see. I can't really tell by the position. So, okay, this one, what I had to do, I had to take off the connector first. So just make sure you press it in. Yeah, make sure you press it in, and then you pull out the connector. So here's the connector right here. So you have to press it in first. First you press it in, then pull off the connector. Press in the connector right here. Press it in to get this release, and then twist. Then twist to get this go left. So basically twist left, twist this way. to pull this out. Alright, so time to install this new one. Come out wherever you are. It's time to put you at use. And hold on. Whew. Try to use my left. See if I can connect it that way. There we go. It's clicked in. And then I'm gonna put it back up there. So I don't know if you guys can see. Bam. Alright, that's locked in. So it's in there perfectly now. Put back up the tabs. And I have to tighten it back up. What I did, where is the... Alright, right here. Just make sure you get it back up in the groove evenly, because you don't want to strip it. So just make sure you get it back in the groove and just twist it in, twist it in, twist it in. Twist it in. And bam, there you have it. Good to go. Alright guys, now let's try it and see how it looks. Alright, let's try it and see how it looks, guys. Let me turn on the vehicle. Where's my keys? Yeah. Turn on the vehicle. Alright guys, there you have it. Let me zoom in. Perfect. And that's how I want it to look. And the other side, perfect. That's how I want it to look, guys. So there you have it. Beautiful fog lights installed. Got it off of eBay. 10 bucks. I did it quick and easy. If I didn't have to record it, trust me, I would have been less than 3 minutes. Take it out, pull it out, put in a new one, go on the other side, do the same thing. I only took out the 10mm bolt from the far right side and only take out the 10mm bolt from the far left side. I didn't touch the middle part of the plastic piece underneath. I only messed with the one that's on the side. But there you have it, guys. I think it looks way more better now, and you're gonna see more better too. It's bright white. It's not that dull yellow ugly look. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Once again, this is a 2008 Toyota Avalon Limited. It goes from 2005 all the way to the 2012 model. The same bulb, H11. You could get the fog lights. Just make sure you type in your year, the model, the make of your vehicle. You could get it cheap off of eBay. I got mine for like 10 bucks off of eBay, and they ship fast. Make sure it's within the United States. You don't want to get nothing from China. If you made a mistake and purchased something from China, you're not going to get it until like sometime in another month. Within a month, you're going to get that. So make sure it's in the United States. A lot of different automakers auto sales place that's on eBay. Some of them is out of the country, but if you live within the US, make sure it tells you what it will let you know where it's shipping from. So be on your P and your Q. Make sure you look for that. And that's about it. That's all I want to share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I should do like a video to show you guys how it look in the nighttime. I don't know. I'll think about it. But that's all I want to share with you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Jesus Christ is the Lord. Bless. Have a blessed, safe day. And peace out. Bye-bye. Take care. And I'm out. Peace. Get my fog lights. Looking so sexy. Yeah. Woo. Looking so sexy. Nice and white. No more yellow, ugly looking. For real.